I'll tell you, the thing about this whole thing is the fact that nobody, well, I don't want to say nobody, but the people with the TV programs, they're just not standing against it. You got the cameras, man, and you know that this stuff is destroying your youth group. Why don't you get in the camera and talk about it? Let's stop the enemy. Let's get the devil out the church. But now they playing secular music in the youth groups. I get email after email from youth. Can you come to my church? They don't understand that it costs money for you to come to the church. So they just like, can you please come to my church? Because they keep playing secular music and secular hip hop before the service. And we keep telling the youth pastor not to do it, but he says he likes it too. That's what the kids are telling us. And then Kanye West, and y'all, we got to just talk about Kanye just a little bit more. Y'all don't mind if I do that, do you? This brother comes out with the song, and I talked about the Get 'Em High the other day, but we're going to talk about this Jesus Walks. Everybody, this is a gospel song. There was a new edition of Upscale magazine just came out where they're talking about Kanye West and how that church, Ebenezer Baptist Church, and the youth pastor Tony Lee, it's Ebenezer AME, in Maryland. They brought Kanye West down to perform in their church. Paid him $30,000 to do one song. $30,000 to do one song, and it was Jesus Walks. But let me tell you about Jesus Walks. Jesus Walks is not a song talking about Jesus. The song is talking about him going and doing some stuff he shouldn't do, and he's saying, I hope Jesus walks with me while I'm doing this junk. And so he goes in the church and has an altar call, and they say 300 kids came up and got saved. No, 300 kids came up to get an autograph. Everybody that's saying they got saved didn't get saved. And he walking around like Jesus is his buddy and Jesus is his homie. Got a video where Jesus jumps out and starts dancing with the kids. Blasphemy. Look at somebody say blasphemy. See, we don't preach that blasphemy no more. People are scared of unpardonable sins. They just want to believe Jesus Jesus love everything, y'all. He understand. He don't. No! He said some things he's not going to forgive. Oh, see, they don't want to hear that, Jesus. We're trying to put Jesus with everybody. I don't put him up on everything. These people are just pimping him. Let me show y'all this. This is Kanye West with a video with a guy named John Legend. Y'all got to see this. Can y'all see that? Now, if you watch it, they're walking in a church, and of course, admiring the jewelry on everybody. So the camera's showing the jewelry on everyone while they're going in church. Then when they go in this church, this guy is singing about this girl. There's a choir singing. They're passing the offering plate with a Rolex in it, and now Kanye West gets, I guess, anointed and begins to lay hands, look, and slay folks in the spirit. Then he looks over, sees a girl, and he lusts, and then he catches himself. Y'all, come on. Come on. But see, this is what they turn in church into a show because they're watching